Hello guys! Welcome to my channel! So today we will be making Suman cassava. So what's Suman cassava? It is a Filipino delicacy consists of 5 ingredients. These are grated coconut, grated cassava, brown sugar, coconut milk or coconut cream, and of course our banana leaves. Are you guys ready? Let's get started! As you can see guys, I'm currently draining my grated cassava because this is a frozen one. So if you can see, there's a little water there. I'm just waiting for it to be fully drained and then we'll move on.
A few moments later.
So here are the ingredients guys. This is a grated cassava. I actually drained it. 1 cup of brown sugar, half a cup of coconut milk, and 2 cups of grated coconut. And of course, our banana leaves. Mix all the ingredients here into our bowl. First, we'll start with the grated cassava. So I actually drained it. Fully drained na siya guys. So I'll just gonna pour it here. There you go. Next is our grated coconut. Then we'll just mix it. Next in line is our brown sugar. Lastly is our coconut milk. So after mixing guys, we're now ready to proceed to our next step, which is to roll this grated cassava into our banana leaves. So what I have here is a frozen banana leaf. I actually bought this from Asian store. So I'll just gonna cut it probably about 5-inch width and 6-inch length. So I'll show it later how it looks like after I cut this one. So next is I am showing you how to clean the banana leaves before pouring our cassava fillings. Be sure that it is free from any dirt or grit. You can use a kitchen towel and gently wipe the surfaces of banana leaves. Over a high flame, quickly pass leaves for about 3 to 5 seconds to wilt. Two spoonfuls. Then just make a log. Then roll it. We'll cut the edges guys kasi medyo matigas yung ano natin. Just roll it. And then find the edges. Let's cut the edges. And then you fold it guys, like this, and then cut a probably 1/2 inch, siguro mga ganito guys. Just make a rope and then tie this. So this is our Suman, cassava Suman. Okay guys, ilagay lang natin yung ating Suman. Nag-boil na yung ating water. So as you can see, my steamer is huge. So, may space tayo. Okay guys, so ngayon, itatry na natin yung ating niluto. So, in terms naman sa texture, pasado. Sa taste, let's see. Kung nakuha ko ba yung recipe ng aking mother. I actually follow it thoroughly, so let's see. Ito na yung first bite. Oh guys, napakasarap. If you want to try this recipe, please do. Actually guys, this recipe is from my mom. Thank you so much mom for the recipe. Well guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!